Welcoming back to MSD Learning World. In this video, we are going to see how to check whether the given input string is accepted by the given non-deterministic finite automata or not. So this comes under language acceptance problem. How are we going to check whether the input is accepted? So when the input will be accepted, for the given string, after all the characters are read from the given input string, if the machine is reaching the final state, then the automata is accepting the input string, and if the input is accepted, then it becomes the language of that non-deterministic finite automata. So how are you going to check that process? So here, whenever a machine is given, now we need to draw the transition table for this. So the transition table for this problem is, here the states are P, Q, R, S and T, and here the final states are R and T is the final state. Initial state is Q. The input alphabets are A and B. So you have A and B as the input symbols, P, Q, R, S and T as the states. So here P, A goes to, it remains in the same state P as well as to Q. So you can have it as P, Q. Have set of all brace. P, B goes to the state P as well as to S. Now Q, A, P, A is going to P as well as to Q. Now coming to the state Q, A is empty. Q, B is R. Now R, A goes to R, and R, B is going to R. Now S, A is empty, and S, B is going to T. T, A goes to T. T, B is also going to the same state T. Now this is the transition table, so that now we can use the transition table to check and to process the transition for checking this input is accepted or not. For the given NFA, check whether the two inputs are given, W equal to AAB and W equal to BBA is accepted or not. Now let us take the string W equal to AAB. So now the first step is you have to start processing with the initial state. So del of P, A. You must always start with an initial state from a single symbol from the given input string. So del of P, A is going to the state P, Q. So now what we are going to do? So the next step is you have to make del of P, AA. If it is del of P, AA, then it is del dash, extended transition function. This can be splitted as del of P, A. Already we have seen as del of P, A is del of P, Q. P, Q is the answer. So del of P, Q, A. This will be nothing but del of P, A union del of Q, A. Del of P, A is P, Q. Del of Q, A is empty. So again taking union, you will have P, Q. So now the next step is del of P, AAB. This can be written as del dash of P, AA, B. So this can be written as del dash of P, AA is P, Q. So del of P, Q, B. So now what is del of P, B is, you can rewrite this as del of P, B union del of Q, B. So del of P, B is P, S union del of Q, B is R. So now P, S and R. This is what is del dash of P, AAB. Now as we already know, the language of the machine is del of set of all strings W, where del dash of P, W intersection final state does not equal to empty. So now this is what is the set of all strings. When you intersect with the final state here is R, T. When you intersect it, you will get R, which belongs to the final state. So the string is accepted. So the W equal to AAB is accepted. This is how you have to check whether the string is accepted or not for the NFA. Now let us take the string W equal to BBA. For W equal to BBA. W equal to BBA. So now you have to start like the same previous problem. Del of initial state P comma B. So del of P comma B is P comma S. So now the next step is del dash of P comma BB. That is equal to del of P comma B comma B. Del of P comma B is already del of P comma S comma B, which is equal to del of P comma B union del of S comma B. P of B comma B is P comma S, and S comma B is union T. So it is P comma S comma T. Now the third step is del dash of P comma BBA. This can be rewrite as del dash of P comma BB comma A. Del dash of P comma BB is already found in the previous step, that is P comma S comma T comma A, which is equal to del of P comma A union del of S comma A union del of T comma A, which is nothing but del of P comma A is P comma Q union del of S comma A is MT union del of T comma A is T. So your result will be P comma Q comma T. So del dash of P comma BBA, the input string, equal to P comma Q comma T, and intersection with final states are R comma T, which is equal to T. T is also a final state, so the string is accepted. I think you are able to understand how to check whether the input is accepted by the non-deterministic finite automata or not. So the final step, finally you must take the set of all final states from the given problem, and you have to take intersection where the resultant state is present in the final state, then the given input string is accepted. So if you have any other doubt, just comment me on the channel. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.